this short and sweet. I've got my Vibe Makana here. What I am doing today is I've had this out a couple times, and what I've noticed is when you have your pod in with your drive, water likes to come up out of here into your kayak. So what I've done is I went to Walmart and got this auto and marine rubber seal, and you can get that for like under 10 bucks. Comes in a roll. You get 17 feet of it. It will split down the middle, which I have done. You can double it up back here because there is a lot of slack right here around this area. When you do have your pod in and you're pedaling, it likes to move around just a little bit, which allows the water to come up into your kayak. So what I've done is doubled this up back here to keep it pushed out just a little bit. This stuff is super sticky. You ain't got to worry about it coming back off when it gets wet. It's weatherproof. Double it up in the back. Put a single layer of it around the bottom edge here, and I'll continue to around right here, that when it's sit down in there, it will seal up pretty good and be a nice tight fit. So I'm going to go ahead and finish, and we will hit the lake here in a little bit and see how it does. As you can see here, you want to pull your tape off the back of it, and it's got a really good layer of adhesive on there, so it will stick nice and good, and you don't have to worry about it coming back off unless you absolutely want it to. You see I butted it up with what comes on the kayak factory. Butted it right down against it, stuck it to all the way around. We will drop the pod in now. It's going to be a lot better snug fit. This is a little hard to do with one hand. Lock it in place. There's no slop in it. Should be good to go. Like I said, got this stuff from Walmart. Comes in a roll. It's under 10 bucks. Pretty quick and easy little mod to do. And we'll hit the lake here in a little bit, and then I'll take some video and show you guys how it does. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the little DIY seal around the pedal drive pod is working. There is no longer water coming up around the edges. So that is really good. The pod's more secure now. I think she's good.